In Python or in any programming language, comments are used to provide notes within the code. The comments will be ignored by the interpreter during execution. If you want to make your code understandable to other developers or for your own reference in the future, it's a good practice to add documentation. If it's a function, explain what is its purpose, what are the inputs that it takes, and what is the return type. So there are two common ways to add comments in Python: single line comments and multi line comments. To add one line of comment, use the hash symbol followed by the text. Anything after the hash symbol on this line is considered a comment and it's not executed by the interpreter. For example, I'll say types of variable. Multi-line comments. If you need to add more than one line of comment, you can enclose the text within triple quotes. And this triple quotes can be three single quotes or three double quotes. For example, I'll add documentation to the input method. So I'll use three single quotes and end it with three single quotes. Now I'll say demonstration of input function in Python. Prompt user to enter channel name and the count of subscribers. Let's save it and run the command py space firstprogram.py. InterviewPro 500. So our program executed and gave the same output as we have seen in our last video. These comments did not make any change because they will be ignored by the interpreter. So it's a good practice to write clear and concise comments that explain the purpose of the code, functionality, or important details of the code. Properly documenting your code using comments can make it easier for you to understand and maintain the code in future. You may think that you can add any number of comments as they are ignored by the interpreter. That's not true. Although comments are ignored, they still consume memory and can affect the size of your project or your code files. So it's important to use comments appropriately and remove unnecessary comments to keep your code clean.